That's going to be for light switches, exterior light, and cans on the left side. Need to run these in the wall here. So move it and come through the header. Need to pull these out, set that to new studs. These are done wrong. All this is old work, except for wood, of course. That would be a switch, I'm guessing, where the wall used to be. Not much on this side. Over microwave, it's already done. Update GFIs. Needs to be hung on new studs. Needs to be run through header. That's all old work there. That needs to go through header. Over here again, it's going to be a light switch, can light, and then exterior light for those 3 wires. Again, over here, you need to run that through the header, bring it around, the light switch over here, pull this one out where new drywall's going. Again, the switch. I think 2 receptacles are broken. Again, this needs to be run through header, down, chased on stud. All new studs again, run through header, the old work. Somewhere this one, yeah, it's got a cut. I think there's 2 like that. But again, old work, run through new wood. Do that here. This. Need to run that wire. New 312 over, because that's got to cut over, down. That one through the header too. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 through the header here. Seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 through headers on this side. I think 8 on the other.